Welcome to mathematics class, integration part 1. Integration samakalanam. Integration is the reverse process of differentiation. We have differentiation in first year. So integration is nothing but the reverse process of integration, differentiation. So vice versa. Differentiation is the reverse process of integration and integration is the reverse process of differentiation. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అంటే సమాకలనం. సమాకలనం అవకలనం యొక్క రివర్స్ సమాకలనం అవుతుంది. సమాకలనానికి రివర్స్ అవకలనం అవుతుంది. సో వాట్ ఈజ్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అంటే if f dash is the derivative of the function f, the function f is called antiderivative or integral of f dash. f అనే ప్రమేయానికి f dash అవకలజం అయితే ఈ f అనే ప్రమేయాన్ని f dash అవకలజానికి యాంటీ డెరివేటివ్ లేదా ఇంటగ్రల్ సమాకలని అంటాం. దిస్ ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ ఫైండింగ్ ద యాంటీ డెరివేటివ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్. ఈ యాంటీ డెరివేటివ్ ను కనుక్కునే పద్ధతి మనకు సమాకలనం. డెరివేటివ్ అవకలజం యొక్క ప్రతి అవకలజాన్ని కనుక్కునే పద్ధతిని సమాకలనము అంటాం. Integration is the process of finding antiderivative. So it is a kind of reverse process for differentiation. The integral of a function f of x with respect to x is written as this symbol. ఈ s అనే దాన్ని కొంచెం సాగదీసిన s లా ఉంటుంది. You can remember this symbol. This is the symbol for integration. So integration of the function f of x with respect to x is written as integral f of x dx. So here dx is we are integrating the function with respect to x. So it can be with respect to t dt, with respect to theta d theta. If the function is in terms of theta, we integrate the function with respect to theta. So integral of sine theta d theta, like that. If the function is in terms of t, we integrate it with respect to t. There are basically three methods for integration. One is substitution, another is partial fraction, and the third one is integration by parts. By using these methods, we find the integrals of the given functions. Some basic formula you can compare with differentiation. As I told you, integration is the reverse process of differentiation and vice versa. Differentiation is the reverse process of integration, but not exactly true. There is a difference. So that difference we add it as constant c. కరెక్ట్గా మనకు రివర్స్ ప్రాసెస్లో ఫంక్షన్ రాకపోవడం కొంత తేడా వస్తుంది కాబట్టి కొంత స్థిర పదం ఆ స్థిర పదాన్ని మనం ఈ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్లో యాడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. దిస్ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ సి. సో మనం ఎక్కడ ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేసినా ప్లస్ సి అనేది రాయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ సి అనేది ఈ స్థిరాంకము సమాకలన స్థిరాంకం. ఇది గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అయిన వెంటనే మనము ఈ ప్లస్ సి అనేది రాయాలి, వేర్ సి ఇస్ ద కాన్స్టెంట్, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ కాన్స్టెంట్. నౌ జస్ట్ యూ రీకలెక్ట్ x పవర్ n+1 by n+1 డెరివేటివ్ x పవర్ n అవుతుంది. x పవర్ n ఇంటిగ్రల్ తిరిగి x పవర్ n+1 by n+1 అవుతుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఫార్ములా. సో రివర్స్, దీని డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఇదైతే దీని ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఇది అవుతుంది. ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఎక్స్ డెరివేటివ్ 1 అవుతుంది. ఇది ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ మనకు తెలుసు డిఫరెన్షియేషన్. ఇప్పుడు 1 కు ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఎక్స్ అవుతుంది. సో ఏది లేకపోతే 1 అనుకోండి. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ డిఎక్స్ అంటే 1 డిఎక్స్. సో 1 కు ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఎక్స్, మనం బై డిఫాల్ట్ వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ all the formula with respect to x, differentiation and integration. And differentiation of sin x is cos x, so integration of cos x is sin x. Similarly, differentiation of minus cos x is sin x, so integration of sin x is minus cos x. Differentiation of tan x is sec square x, so integration of sec square x is tan x. Differentiation of minus cot x is cosec square x, and integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. Differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x, and integration of sec x tan x is sec x. Differentiation of minus cosec x is cosec x cot x. Integration of cosec x cot x is minus cosec x. Differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by under root 1 minus x square. So integration of 1 by under root 1 minus x square is sin inverse x. Differentiation of cos inverse x is minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. And integration of minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square is cos inverse x. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square, and integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. If you remember the differentiation formula, it is easy to remember integration. So you need to remember both. So you recollect the first year differentiation formula and compare with integration. It is a reverse process. So differentiation of cot inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square, integration of minus 1 by 1 plus x square is cot inverse x. Differentiation of sec inverse x is 1 by mod x under root x square minus 1. Integration of 1 by mod x under root x square minus 1 is sec square x. Differentiation of cosec inverse x is 1 by under root x root 1 by mod x under root x square minus 1. So integration of 1 by minus 1 by mod x under root x square minus 1 is equal to cosec inverse x. Differentiation of e power x is e power x. There is no change. In integration also, integration of e power x is e power x only. ఇది డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ లో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ లో e పవర్ x కు మార్పు అనేది లేదు. అండ్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ log x is 1 by x. సో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 by x is log x. Differentiation of a power x by log a is a power x. So integration of a power x is a power x by log a. And some more problems are formula is there. You can refer the textbook. Just it is the reverse process. I wanted to compare the derivatives and integrals. so that it will be very clear for you. It is the reverse process of differentiation. So if you remember differential derivatives, you can easily remember the integrals. Now you make a list of all the formula. Formula plays very important role in solving the problems, finding integrals. We need to have simultaneously derivatives and integrals. So first year differentiation formula, second year integration formula, be thorough, make a list and go through them every day. Be thorough. ఎందుకంటే ఫార్ములాతోనే ప్రతి స్టెప్ మనం ఇంటగ్రేషన్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఫార్ములా తెలియకపోతే మనం ఏం చేయలేం. సో ఫార్ములా plays very important vital role in this chapter. So be thorough with formulae. Now let us solve some questions from the text. Some short, very short answer questions using standard forms. Find the integrals of the following functions. Find the integrals. అవకలజాలను కనుక్కోవాలి. Integral of x cube minus 2x square plus 3 with respect to x. Now you can write there are 3 terms, so we integrate them separately. 3 పదాలు ఉన్నాయి. As in the case of differentiation, వీటికి విడిగా మనం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేస్తాం. సో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ x cube and constant ను మనం పక్కన పెట్టి ఓన్లీ we integrate the function x square కు విడిగా and 3 కాన్స్టెంట్ కాబట్టి పక్కన పెడతాం. సో ఇక్కడ 3 టర్మ్స్ ఉంటే 3 టర్మ్స్ కు సెపరేట్ గా ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేస్తాం. Now integration of x cube. So x 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. First formula x power n అంటే x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x power 2. So x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So integration 1 dx. So integration 1 dx is x. Integration అయిపోయిన తర్వాత c అనేది రాయాలి. This is the constant of integration. You can write the formula here. X power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. We are using this formula wherever. This is the basic formula. So by using this formula, you can find the integral of x power anything. So this becomes x power 3 plus 1, 4 by 4, 2 x cube by 3x plus c. Very simple. Let us find one more. Integration 1 minus root x by x dx. So this can be written as, separate the denominator 1 by x and root x by x. So 1 by x dx minus root x by x can be written as root x into root x. I am separating the integration. 1 root x will get cancelled. So 1 by x dx is log x. This integration of 1 by x is log x. And this can be written as 1 by root x. Root x is power 1 by 2. And if you write it as numerator, this becomes minus 1 by 2. 1 by root x can be written as x power minus 1 by 2. So log x, by using the first formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So the integral of this one, x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So after completing the integration, just write the constant c. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 log x. So x power, if you take the LCM, or you can orally, you can write 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. LCM తీసుకుని రాయొచ్చు. This is LCM 2 minus 1 plus 2, that is 1 by 2. Now, this can be written as log x. So this becomes 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1. X power 1 by 2 is root x. So this is log x minus 2 root x plus c. And you can remember integration of 1 by root x is 2 root x. You remember this one. Whenever you want to write the integral of 1 by root x, just if you remember, you can write 2 root x. You need not do in detail x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. You will get 2 root x. So next time in doing other problems, you can write directly 1 by root x integration is 2 root x. So the next problem. Evaluate integral e power x minus 1 by x plus 2 by under root x square plus 1. So separating the integration of 1 by x is separate, plus 2 integration of 1 by under root x square plus 1. So e power x integration is e power x. 1 by x integration is log x. So 1 by under root x square plus 1 integration is log of x plus under root x square plus 1. So constant plus c. So this is the formula you have to remember. 1 by under root x square plus 1 integral is log mod x plus under root x square plus 1 or sin h inverse x. You can write log mod x plus root x square plus 1 or sin h inverse x. Now let us take up one more problem. Evaluate sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. Sin square. So 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. I am writing 1 plus cos 2x as 2 cos square x. So this is equal to, I am writing 1 by 2 outside. So sin square by cos square becomes tan square x. So we don't have tan square x integral directly. So 1 plus tan square is x square. So 1 plus tan square is x square. So 1 becomes minus 1. Tan square is 1 minus. Tan square is x square minus 1. So writing in place of tan square x, x square minus 1, x square x minus 1. So 1 by 2. Integration of x square x is tan x. Integration of 1 is x and constant of integration is c. So you have to remember integration of x square x dx is tan x. Take up another problem. Integration 1 minus x square whole cube dx. So we know a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. By using this, let us expand the given function. We get a cube is 1 cube, 3 into a square b 3a square b plus 3a b square, that is x, b is x square minus b cube ante x square cube dx, and simplifying 1 cube is 1, 1 square is also 1, 1 into 3, 3, this is 3x square, this is 3x power 4, this is x power 3 into 2, 6. So after expanding, now you can integrate. So 1 integration is x, 3 x square integration is x cube by 3, that is 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. X power 4 integration is 4 plus 1, 5 by 5. X power 6 integration is x power 7 by 7 plus c. You can cancel 3. So this is the integration, x minus x cube 3x power 5 by 5 x power 7 by 7 plus c. Now let us take up one more problem. Evaluate sec square x cosec square x dx. Now this is, you can write sec square 1 by cos square and cosec square is 1 by sin square. So in place of 1 you can write sin square x plus cos square x. So this is cos square x sin square x. Numerator 1 లో ఈ విధంగా రాయొచ్చు. This is all first year trigonometry. I am separating the denominator sin square x by cos square x sin square x plus cos square x by cos square x sin square x. So now cancel sin square x, here cos square x. 1 by cos square integration. This is 1 by cos square. This is 1 by sin square. Again 1 by cos square is nothing but sec square, and 1 by sin square is nothing but cosec square. If you remember, you can write direct also, that is sec square x into cosec square x is sec square x plus cosec square x. If you remember this, you can write direct also, but this is trigonometry. After simplifying, sec square into cosec square is equal to sec square plus cosec square. Now integrating, we know integration of sec square is tan x. Integration of cosec square is minus cot x and constant c. So So this is the answer. Now let us take up one more. Number, whatever it may be. 5, this is 6. And now 7th. Evaluate integral 1 plus cos square x by 1 minus cos 2x. Now numerator as it is. So in denominator 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. The denominator is 2 sin square x. We know from trigonometry 1 minus 2x is 2 sin square x. So denominator becomes, you take 1 by 2 outside and 1 plus cos square by sin square. And separating the denominator, this is 1 by sin square. This is cos square by sin square. One by 2. 1 by sin square is cosec square. So cos square by sin square is cot square. Now this is cosec square. Cot square is cosec square minus 1. Cos square is cosec square minus 1. Now cosec square, 2 cosec square minus 1. So this is all trigonometry. We have simplified it. 1 plus cos square by 1 minus cos 2x as 2 cosec square x minus 1. Now you can integrate. Integrating 2 as it is, cosec square x integration is minus cot x and 1 integration is x. So the constant c, multiplying with 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 minus cot x. So 1 by 2 into x plus c. 2 will get cancelled. So this is minus cot x minus x by 2 plus c. Now let us take up one more, 8th bit. Integral of 1 minus cos 2x dx. So 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. Since 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. Trigonometry. So in place of 1 minus cos 2x, you write 2 sin square x. So here, this is root 2, I am writing outside. and root and square will get cancelled. This is simply becomes sin x dx. So integration of sin x is minus cos x plus integration constant. So minus root 2 cos x plus c. Now let us take up one more problem, that is ninth. Integration 1 by 1 plus cos x dx. 1 by 1 plus cos x dx. Now 1 by 1 plus cos x, rationalizing with 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos x. So numerator 1 minus cos x. This is a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, a square b square form. So this becomes 1 square minus cos square x dx. That is 1 minus cos square is sin square. One minus cos x by sin square x. Separating denominator, this becomes 1 by sin square x, cos x by sin square is sin x into sin x. So 1 by sin square is cosec square. This is cos by sin is cot x, and 1 by sin is cosec x. Cosec x, cot x. After simplifying, now integrating, the integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. So integration of cosec x cot x is minus cosec x, and minus minus will become plus. So this is cosec x and constant c. You remember integration of cosec square is minus cot. So integration of cosec x cot x is minus cosec x. So minus minus will become plus. Now let us take up one more. Evaluate 1 by under root 4 minus x square. So this is in the form of 4 can be written as 2 square minus x square. Now 1 by under root a square minus x square is sin inverse x by a. So using this formula, now here a value is 2. So sin inverse x by 2. Sin inverse x by 2 plus c. One more. evaluate integral under root ax square minus 25. This is not 9. 9x square minus 25. So taking 9 common, so this is x square minus 25 by 9. So writing 9, root 9 is 3. Okay. So this is x square, and this can be written as 5 by 3 whole square. Root 9 is 3. I am writing outside. So this is x square minus 5 by 3 whole square. So integration of x square minus a square is equal to x by 2 root x square minus a square minus a square by 2 cos h inverse x by a plus c. So this is the formula you have to remember. So using this formula and comparing the a value, here a value is 5 by 3 and x value x. So using this formula and substituting 3 as it is, and the integration x by 2 into x square minus a square, x square minus 5 by 3 square, a square by 2, that is 5 by 3 square by 2 into cos h inverse x by a value is 5 by 3. Simplifying, x by 2, this is x square, again 25 by 9, this is 25 by 9, this is 1 by 2 cos h inverse. The 5 by 3 becomes 3 by 5, so 3x by 5. Okay. Now 3 into x by 2, taking the LCM, and this is 9x square minus 25 minus 25 by 18 cos h inverse 3x by 5 plus c. So root 9, I am multiplying 3 inside, 3 into x by 2. So this is 9x square minus 25. Root 9 becomes 3. So here 3 into 25 by 18 cos h inverse 3x by 5 plus c. So this is the 3. I'm multiplying with both 2 terms inside. So 3 will get cancelled. 3 one time, 3 6 times. So now this is x by 2 into 9x square minus 25 and 25 by 6 cos h inverse 3x by 5. Short answer and long answer type questions. So this is the integral of the given function. Now let us practice one more. So this is 11th and 12th. Evaluate integral 16 minus 25 x square dx. Taking 25 common, 16 by 25 minus x square dx. So root 25 is 5. I am writing outside. And this is 4 by 5 whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus x square dx. And the formula is x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. So this is the formula. Using this one, here x value is x, a value is 4 by 5. 5 as it is, x by 2. X by 2, a square is 4 by 5 square minus x square, a square 4 by 5 square by 2 sine inverse x by a value is 4 by 5 plus c. Simplifying, 5 into x by 2, this is 16 by 25, 16 by 25 into 1 by 2, sine inverse 5x by 4. 4 by 5 becomes 5 by 4. X by 2, taking LCM, 25, 16, 25 x square. So 2, cancelling 2 and 16, 2 one time and 8 times. This is 8 by 25 sine inverse 5x by 4 plus c. 5 into x by 2, root 16 minus 25x square by root 25 becomes 5. 8 by 25 sine inverse 5x by 4 plus c. Now multiplying 5 inside. So 5 into x by 2 into 16 minus 25x square by 5. 5 into 8 by 25 sine inverse 5x by 4 plus c. So 5 will get cancelled, 5 one time, 5 times. Now the required x by 2, 16 minus 25x square, 8 by 5 sine inverse 5x by 4 plus c. So these two problems are similar. Now 13, let us take up one more. Evaluate integral x by 1 plus x square dx. 1 plus x square dx. Now x by 1 plus x square dx multiply 2 by 2. So you can write 1 by 2 outside and 2x by 1 plus x square. You can write these two inside. So this is in the form of f dash by f, and that is equal to log f. So we have this formula. The numerator is the derivative of denominator. Then you can write the integral as log of denominator. ఈ హారంలో ఉన్నదానికి హారం యొక్క అవకలజం లవంలో ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం దాని సమాకలని లాగ్ ఎఫ్ అని రాయొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ 1 డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ 0, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ డెరివేటివ్ 2x. సో 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ డెరివేటివ్ 2x ఈ డినామినేటర్ డెరివేటివ్ న్యూమరేటర్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్ గా మీరు దీని ఆన్సర్ ఏమని రాయొచ్చు, లాగ్. సో 1/2 పక్కన పెట్టుకొని దీని ఆన్సర్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది. 1/2 log 1 plus x square. లేదా సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ మెథడ్ లో కూడా దీన్ని చేయొచ్చు. ఇఫ్ యూ రిమెంబర్ ద f dash by f is equal to log f, you can write it direct, or by substituting second method దీన్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి కూడా చేయొచ్చు. x by 1 plus x square అంటే సో లెట్ 1 plus x square ను t అనుకుంటే differentiating with respect to t with respect to x, 1 differentiation 0, so x square 2x, and t differentiation dt by dx. So dx ni ikkada raste 2x dx is equal to dt అవుతుంది. సో క్వశ్చన్ లో మనం x dx 2 యువతలకి రాస్తే dt by 2 అవుతుంది. సో సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ దిస్ ఇన్ ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ న్యూమరేటర్ x dx మనకు x dx పక్కన dt by 2 అవుతుంది. 1 plus x square ను t అనుకున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇది t అవుతుంది. సో సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ లో ఈ 1/2 బయటికి రాస్తే ఇది 1/t dt గా క్వశ్చన్ రాసుకోవచ్చు, మారుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు t, ఇక్కడ 1/x కు ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1/x dx log x అయినట్టు 1/t dt log t అవుతుంది. సో 1/2 log t plus c. Again substituting t value, t ని మనం అనుకున్నాం కాబట్టి what is t? 1 plus x square ను t అనుకున్నాం. This is substitution, 1 plus x square in place of t. So this is the answer, integral of the given function. So మనం substitution లో చేయొచ్చు. If you remember this formula, f dash by f is equal to log f, then use direct formula. Now one more, 14th. Evaluate integral log x whole square by x dx. So దీన్ని కూడా సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ మెథడ్ లో చేద్దాం. ఇంటగ్రల్ log x whole square by x. Now let log x is equal to t substitute చేస్తే differentiate with respect to x, log x differentiation 1/x, t differentiation dt by dx అవుతుంది. సో ఇది 1/x into dx is equal to dt. క్వశ్చన్ లో దీన్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఈ 1/x అండ్ dx ఇది మొత్తం dt అవుతుంది. ఈ log x t అనుకున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇది t స్క్వేర్ dt అయిపోయింది క్వశ్చన్. x స్క్వేర్ dx ఎట్లానో t స్క్వేర్ dt అంతే. దీని ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ t 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c, that is t cube by 3 plus c. What is t? Log x t అనుకున్నాం కాబట్టి again resubstituting t with log x, that is log x whole cube by 3 plus c అవుతుంది. ఇది సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ లో ఈ విధంగా చేయొచ్చు. Now one more problem. Evaluate integral 3x square by 1 plus x power 6 dx. Integral 3x square by 1 plus ఈ x power 6 ను x square cube గా రాయొచ్చు. x power 6 అంటే x square whole cube. Now let దీన్ని x cube, దీన్ని x cube స్క్వేర్ గా రాస్తే లెట్ x cube ను t అనుకుంటే డిఫరెన్షియేట్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు x, x స్క్వేర్ కు 3x స్క్వేర్, t డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ dt by dx విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు x కాబట్టి క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఇది 3x స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ dx dt అవుతుంది. దీన్ని క్వశ్చన్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకు 3x స్క్వేర్ dx dt గా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఇదంతా dt అవుతుంది. ఇది 1/1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ టీ అనుకుంటే ఇది టీ స్క్వేర్, ఇదేమో dt. 1/1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ లాగా, సిన్స్ 1/1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఈస్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ ఎక్స్. tan ఇన్వర్స్ ఎక్స్ కాబట్టి ఇది సింపుల్ గా tan ఇన్వర్స్ టీ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ టీలలో ఉంది tan ఇన్వర్స్ టీ. సో అగైన్ resubstituting, what is t? X cube. Resubstituting this x cube. సో ఇట్లా సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ లో మనం చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో ప్రాక్టీస్ some more problems from the exercise and you be thorough with the formula. ఫార్ములా ఎంత పర్ఫెక్ట్ అయితే మీకు ఇది అంత ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయడం అంత ఈజీ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్